Good day, everyone. Trust you're doing well today. Last year, my neighbor Angela shocked all of us. In just 3 weeks, she made more money than she made the entire year. You're going to ask me how. She did it by selling Christmas hampers to companies, churches, friends, and relatives. She didn't have any shop. She began with little capital. It was nothing monumental. It was just that she indulged in the right business at the right time. And the truth of the matter is, anybody can do it. In this video, I will show you the same business Angela used to cash out last year, and 4 others you can start immediately before this December rush begins. Number 1, hampers business. Christmas hampers are hot cake from mid-November to the week of Christmas. Why? Companies buy for staff, families buy as gifts, churches buy for programs, friends can patronize you to buy for their loved ones. Number 2, chicken sales, and I mean live chicken. December is peak season and Nigerians don't joke with Christmas chicken. Now, these are the reasons why chicken sells this period. Price rises near Christmas. Demand is guaranteed. Everyone eats chicken this festive period of December. So how do you make profit by indulging in this also? You could visit any poultry and buy a live chicken or dozens of live chickens for 7 to 9,000 naira. And you can sell those chicken from the range of 12,000 to 15,000 naira. That's making you profit of about 3 to 5k on those sales. You could be making around 450,000 naira to around 700,000 naira this festive period. Number 3, small chops and catering for events. December comes with parties, owambe, plus office events, picnic, house parties, and the likes. Now, why is this sort of side hustle a good mine during this period? Now, during this period, event booking explodes during the end of the year. Hence, the reason why small chops and catering for events is in high demand. Now, things like small chops, jollof trays, grills, shawarma, cocktail service are really in high demand this period. Now, revenue can be as high as 50k to 200k per event, and it depends on your level of professionalism and expertise. Number 4, Christmas decorations and lights. Now, during this period, this festive period, people tend to buy Christmas lights, Christmas trees, ornaments to decorate their house, their place of business as well. Since there is demand for this type of light this festive period, you could actually and if you're actually interested, you could actually go to the market and buy in wholesale, then come back and sell in bits. You could actually be making a profit margin of about 30% to around 70%. Number 5, and which happened to be the last one, selling children's Christmas clothes and toys. Children matters during Christmas, right? Because they love to wear brand new clothes, get toys, and everything good that comes with Christmas. So the capital you need to start this seasonal business ranges from 50,000 to like 150,000 naira, but the profit margin could be as high as 40% to like even 100%. Item that sells fastest this period are Christmas outfits, LED shoes, all those shoes that shows light by the side when children wears it. They actually love those shoes this period because their mates could actually be wearing such shoes. All right, so the next is toys, fancy bags, glass, wristwatch, and all of those fancy stuff children likes this period in time. So those are the 5 businesses you could actually engage in and really cash out this December, because it only comes once in a year. So just trying to take advantage if you really want to make money at this point in time as well. If you get value from this video, do not forget to subscribe to this channel just so you do not miss my next update. Thank you and